flash flood emergency for the City of Baltimore. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Baltimore City in northern Maryland until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:06 a.m., Emergency Management reported numerous water rescues ongoing in the City of Baltimore. Between 2.5 and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for the City of Baltimore. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Baltimore. This includes the following flood-prone roads: Smith Avenue and Jones Falls and Clipper Hill Road near the Falls Road overpass.